Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about the section perceived identity for Fourier cosine transform. For that, the problem is evaluate integral 0 to infinity dx by x square plus a square the whole square into dx. We know that the formula for Fourier cosine transform is fc of f of x, that is fc of s equal to integral root 2 by pi integral 0 to infinity f of x cos sx dx. For prove this integration, for solve this integration, let taking the function f of x equal to e power minus ax. Okay, so replace the function f of x by e power minus ax. So now we get the integration, integral 0 to infinity e power minus ax cos sx dx. Already we know the formula. We can't integrate the function directly because both are a function, that is a one e power, another one is cos sx. So we can't integrate using the Bernoulli's formula. So we are go for the result. There is one result for this. The result is if it's 0 to infinity e power minus ax cos bx dx equal to a by a square plus b square. Here the in place of b they give yes. So what is the formula? Result root 2 by pi a by s square plus a square. This is the answer for fc of s. Okay. Now to prove the integration, to solve the integration, come to the Perceivable identity for Fourier cosine transform. Taking the formula for perceivable identity of Fourier cosine transform, the formula is integral 0 to infinity fc of s the whole square ds equal to integral 0 to infinity modulus f of x the whole square dx. Okay, now substitute the value fc of s. What is the value of fc of s? That is root 2 by pi a by s square plus a square. There is a square here. So you have to put the square for numerator as well as the denominator. Here the integration limit is only a positive term. So you skip the modulus. Similarly, in right side, integral 0 to infinity modulus e power minus ax the whole square into dx. Already you know a power m whole power n equal to, you can multiply the power m into n. So that multiply the powers. So minus ax into 2 means what is your answer? Minus 2ax. Now integrate e power minus 2ax by into dx. So already you know the integration of e power ax. If you integrate e power ax, your answer is e power ax by a. Similarly here e power minus 2ax dx. So after the integration we get e power minus 2ax divided by the coefficient of x minus 2a, the limit 0 to infinity. Now apply the limit in place of x. So if you substitute x equal to infinity, you get e power minus infinity. Upper limit minus lower limit. What is the lower limit? 0. So replace x by 0. 0 into anything 0. So that e power 0 divided by minus 2a. We know the value of e power minus infinity. The e power minus infinity value is 0. So the replace e power minus infinity by 0 and the value of e power 0 is 1. So substitute the value in place of e power 0 is 1. So 0 minus 1 is minus 1. Minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1. Okay, minus 1 into minus 1, you get plus 1 by root 2 by pi. So what is in right side? Right side we have 2a square by pi integral 0 to infinity ds by s square plus a square the whole square. Now bring the constant term 2a square by pi into the next side. It comes to pi by 2a square. So 1 into pi is pi and 2 into 2 4, a into a square a cube. So the integral 0 to infinity ds by s square plus a square the whole square equal to pi by 4a cube. But in our problem they ask in terms of x. So that put s equal to x, then you get integral 0 to infinity. In place of x you replace by x. Then dx by x square plus a square the whole square equal to 4 pi a cube. Thank you.